Hi, I'm Manimeghle Vijayarangan. I'm fine and fit as a fiddle, and I'm sure even you are in the pink of health. Well, today I'm going to deal with a very important topic from examination point of view, particularly for ICSE. Yes, it is no sooner than and as soon as. Now, look at the three sentences starting with as soon as. As soon as the rain stops, they rush out of the house. Here, I have used present tense, stops. And this rush is present tense. Just have that in mind. In the second one, as soon as the rain stopped, here it's past tense, they rushed out. Okay. The third one, as soon as the rain had stopped, past perfect, they rushed out. Okay. Now I'll teach you how to change this into a negative sentence. That is, in the exam, they'll ask the question in either way. They may give this sentence starting with as soon as. They'll ask you to change it into negative sentence, or they'll specify start the sentence with no sooner than. Both are same. So let's start the sentence with no sooner. No sooner does the rain stop. No sooner does the rain stop than, that will be followed by than, because no sooner will be followed by than. No sooner, why they are giving this dot? Because we are using some other words. No sooner does the rain stop than they rush out. That's all. Same thing. Than they rush out of the house. Whereas here, as soon as the rain stopped, they rush out of the house. Here, no sooner. Any idea what you will be using instead of does? It's did. No sooner did the rain stop than they rushed out of the house. Same thing. And the third one, as soon as the rain had stopped, they rushed out of the house. No sooner had the rain stopped than they rushed out of the house. So I repeat, if it is present tense, use does. As soon as the rain stops, they rush out of the house. No sooner does the rain stop. Then here than, this is very important. No sooner does the rain stop than they rush out. Second one is, since it's past tense, no sooner did the rain stop than they rushed out. See, when you listen to this sentence, it may appear to be strange. What it's for? Because many children make mistake here. Instead of than, they use then and when. So be careful in using it. No sooner had the rain stopped, because it is past perfect, had the rain stopped than they rushed out. Now I have given three sentences starting with as soon as with different tense. I repeat, I have given three sentences starting with as soon as with different tense. Finishes, finished, had finished. So in the exam, they'll give you a sentence starting with as soon as. They'll ask you to change to negative sentence. Don't get scared, because as soon as is affirmative. So negative sentence means it has a word like no, not, never. And sometimes they will ask directly, start the sentence with no sooner. So let's try this. As soon as she finishes her homework, she goes out to play. No sooner does, D-O-E-S, this is very important because this is present tense. No sooner does she finish her homework than she goes out to play. These are same thing. So as soon as she finishes her homework, she goes out to play. No sooner does she finish her homework than she goes out to play. Next one. As soon as she finished her homework, she went out to play. No sooner did. Why did? Because this is present tense, here this is past tense. So did. No sooner did she finish her homework than she went out to play. Next, as soon as she had finished her homework, she went out to play. This is past perfect. No sooner had she finished her homework than she went out to play. So these are the important aspects which you have to remember. Does she finish? Did she finish? And had she finished? Here we are not using ed. Here also we are not using ed. But here we have to use, because had will be followed by past participle. The past participle form of finish is finished. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.